All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in, as I always do appreciate it. We've got an unboxing today. We received our WatchGang.com Black Tier subscription watch for the month of December. Okay, we're going to take a look at that. We're going to see what that entails. We're here on this sunny Thursday. And we're going to knock out the unboxing, and then we're also going to do, beforehand, we're going to do a quick update on the giveaway, okay? In terms of the giveaway, we're at, actually I've got it here. Let me look at it here. Okay, we've got 87 entries, okay? So 87 entries into the giveaway here. So 87 people are entered to receive the Wolf Watchwinder, okay? This is the giveaway here for the Wolf Watchwinder, and then also an automatic watch. I'm going to disclose the automatic watch on 1/1/21. So on New Year's Day, we're going to go live. We're going to give away the Watchwinder and the automatic watch to somebody. You can enter. The instructions are going to be in the description box down below. So we've already had 87 people enter. It still could be you. Again, not a crazy amount of entries. I think the odds are still could be halfway decent. So if you can hear my voice, be that cool guy, be the cool girl. Although my analytics say it's all guys, to be honest with you. It's 100% men that watch this channel. But do me a favor. Like I said, hit that. In order to enter for the giveaway, hit the subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram. The screen name will be down below. So hit the subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram. And go to the link, drop your email address in. That's how you enter. It's that simple, those three things. So, okay? All right. Now that we got the business out of the way, let's just jump right into our giveaway. Oh, but first, let's do a quick wristwatch check. I've got one of my favorite pieces. This is the NETHUNS Lava 2, okay? So, beautiful texture dial on this one. I really love the way the case is shaped on this one. It does just have a Seiko, I believe, just an NH35, but definitely one of my favorite pieces. So 600 meters water resistance, just a really nice watch. So I did unbox this on the channel. Maybe I'll put that in the description below, so you can take a look at that. This is the NETHUNS. This is the Lava 2 Gen 1. There's a Gen 2 now, just so that you know, that has the bezel's round instead of having these points on it. But this one is way better looking, so all right. Let's get into the unboxing, okay? We'll move everything out of the way, get my desk ready here. In fact, I'll bring this over to the side. There we go. All right, so we received this. Graton, okay? And if you'll remember, I'll remind you here, maybe perhaps if I remember, I'll drop that in the comment section, in the description box as well. I unboxed a Graton before. It was one they sent under the Black subscription, perhaps last year, I believe. Nice watch, Seiko NH35. Felt good, felt heavy, felt good in the hands. The bracelet was okay. I didn't think it was perfect, but the bracelet was nice enough. But overall, good marks. I thought it was good value for money here for 99 bucks. Nice Seiko movement. Overall, pretty nice. So, now, I will say right off the bat, this is a little bit different. This particular logo and font here, it didn't look like this before, I don't think. It said Graton, but it didn't have this sort of stylized, I don't know, almost Gatsby-ish font here. I do actually like this, though. I do like this font in this box. I do like that. So, black box. We'll go ahead and open that up here. So this is a magnet. That's a nice touch. That's got a nice magnet to it. And at first, we've got the warranty card here. So, Graton. You've got the, let's see here. Okay, yeah, just a regular card. It is nice, though. We'll move that to the side. We've got the watch, which is in this Graton pouch, which that's nice to travel with. Nice little Graton pouch. That's a nice, nice included thing here. And we've got silica gel. There's nothing else in here, right? Okay, no, I'm just disassembling the box. All right, so that's just the box insert. We'll leave that in there. We'll put the silica gel back in there and the warranty card. So, all right, now in terms of the actual watch, so this is a nice, it's almost like a wool. This is a nice, nice carrying pouch. It does feel nice too. So this is cool. Got the Graton tag there. And in terms of the actual watch, let's see here, that closes with Velcro. This is what we got here. So as you can see, I really like that dial, actually. Kind of a blue sunburst situation. I believe this one is called, I have the website looked up, the Native California. So, automatic watch. I believe it has a Seiko movement. Probably going to be the NH35. We'll take a look here. As you can see, it does have a date complication. So, nice blue sunburst dial. I do like this, actually. I like the overall style of the case, too. So, just kind of a plain back. There's nothing on it there. Huh. So, just kind of a plain back on this. And as we wind it here. Yeah, definitely nice. You can see it ticking. I gotta say, this is definitely a nice nice piece. This is definitely a good job, watch gang. So, listen, guys, if you're going to criticize, you've got to do that. You know, if you're going to do that when it's necessary, you've got to give the pluses when it's necessary as well. So, you've got to give you know, you've got to give the positive feedback. And I will say this is definitely a nice one. So, let's try it on my wrist. I'm curious as to what the case size is. Like I said, I do not know. I looked it up. I kind of just quickly pulled up the website on my phone, but I did not look at the details, honestly, guys. I'm going to take off this NETHUNS Lava 2. And give me 1 second. I'm going to strap this to my wrist, and we'll see what it looks like on my 8¼ inch giant wrist here. And this is probably going to be the one downside to this, is that while I really like this watch, it probably isn't going to fit me very well. So here it is here. As you can see, it's already sucking in my my wrist there. And it is on the second to last hole. Let's see if we can put it on the last hole. Let's see if that's a little bit better. Maybe that's a little more give in that last hole. Okay, so I just put it on the last hole here. So it actually looks a little bit better on the last hole. I mean, it's still probably a little tight. Maybe I would opt to replace the band with a little bit longer band here. Let me take off the plastic. There we go. Plastic's gone, but overall not a bad looking piece, actually. Now that I adjusted the band here, not an overall bad looking piece. This looks very nice. So has a very nice look, nice smooth sweep with that Seiko movement beating away in there, and it has a how do I say it? I like the fonts. It has almost a, you see you've got that mixture of Roman numerals, okay, in terms of the top, and across the bottom there you have just regular numbers. So it's an interesting mix there. I think that's very cool. It feels kind of, or looks kind of futuristic looking. I don't know. I can't really explain it. And I know it's mostly just the font and that Graton logo that's making me feel that way. But definitely I think it's nice. I can't really find anything bad that I want to say about this. So, overall, I think it looks pretty good. So, again, you got to give credit where credit is due. Let's pull up the website and we'll get out of here. So, this is it on the website. Oh, and to just remind you guys, I didn't have my phone to kind of pull up my second phone to kind of pull up the sites in the past couple videos here, only because I traded in my Samsung Galaxy, and I got this, I had a Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh, I just got a notification here. Okay, I had a Galaxy S10 Plus, but I got rid of that, and I ended up getting this, instead of another $1,000 Samsung flagship phone, I got this, it was like $400. This is the OnePlus Nord. So if you're into phones at all, I did a phone unboxing on the channel. I mean, I got my iPhone 12 Plus. It was just okay. I'm into tech as well. Let me know if you're into tech. Like I said, I on my banner it says watches, tech, everything. So I plan to unbox a wide range of things on this channel. But I'm just curious how well a tech video would do. So just let me know if you're into tech. Drop me a line in the comment section below. I'm curious. Because this OnePlus Nord so far is pretty good. And I'm just curious if there are any other iPhone or Android or type guys out there. Just let me know. Let me see here. Let me get rid of that message. Okay, here we go. So in terms of this watch, you've got, this is the Native California. You see GR3 406AH. I guess that's the model number there. But overall, like I said, it even looks nice in this picture. Let's see here. You've got some glamour shots. Okay. So it's a nice watch, nice looking watch. And in terms of these specifications, as you can see, it's 42 millimeters. So 42 millimeters stainless steel. You've got a 20 millimeter band. That's why it feels a little bit on the smaller side. 20 millimeter band, automatic NH35 movement from Seiko. So listen, I can't say anything bad about this. So I think it's a nice piece. Overall, this is a win. So let me know what you think. Would you wear this particular watch? I personally think it's a win for 99 bucks. You can't really, I mean, you can't go wrong with an NH35 and a stylish case like this and a band that feels pretty decent. So you can't go wrong with that for 99 bucks. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do me a favor, join the giveaway. Okay, we've got I believe it was 87 people entered. Okay, let's get some more. Like I said, to enter, follow the channel, follow us on Instagram, and then also go to the link here and put in your go to the link in the comment section, in the description box below, and enter your email address. That's how I will contact you, okay? I'm not going to send you junk or anything like that. You're not going to get any junk mail or spam. It's solely just so that I can reach out and let you know that you've won. That'll be the only reason I contact you. I will not send you any spam. So thank you so much for stopping in, guys. I really do appreciate it. Until our next unboxing, which we will have come out the day after tomorrow, as we're on an every other day upload schedule now, just so that we can grow this channel. I'll see you on Saturday. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. This is Unbox and Chill, signing out.